Good morning guys! Ngayon, pupuntahan natin ang sumisikat na road trip destination dito sa Pangasinan. Tara, samahan nyo kami! Pagbata po, libre.
Sige na lang po ito. Senior. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Pagbuntis.
Pagbuntis. Ayun lang.
Wala pa lang buntis.
Sinabi mo pa.
Pagbuntis oh. Dalawa na.
Thank you po. Ito na ang umpisa ng Daang Katutubo. Medyo may challenge lang ang drive, slight zigzag at steep ang ilang parts, pero manageable naman, basta may reliable kang sasakyan. Pinasok namin ang aming sasakyan dito, para konti na lang ang lalakarin paakyat sa view deck.
Akala ko si Ali.
Galing Scenic.
Kayo po.
Pero akabat ko. Ako kami si ate sa laman. Sa laman.
Look at this view. Dito pa lang, solve ka na, di ba? Tinawag itong Daang Katutubo because the road serves and passes through barangays where indigenous peoples like Daang Katutubo, Bago, and Ibaloy reside. Sabi nila, this is the most famous part ng Daang Katutubo. Pero guys, Hindi pa dito nagtatapos ang adventure natin. We're not here just for the view deck. Liko tayo sa kaliwa and the real journey begins. Ito ang true heart ng Daang Katutubo. Tignan nyo naman ang view, pure mountain therapy. Dito mo talaga masasabing, the road less traveled is always the most rewarding. The road here becomes steeper. Pero good news, may flat area sa part na ito na perfect stopover para mag-photo op. At the bottom of this scenic road lies the clear waters of the Bayaoas River. Pupuntahan natin yon at doon mag-aalmusal. Pero sa ngayon, namnamin muna natin ang napakagandang tanawin na ito papunta sa ilog.
Sunrise paints the dashboard gold. The highway ribbon starts to unfold. Got the windows down, the map is tossed. Chasing a feeling, counting no cost. Engine humming a steady beat. Trading the concrete for mountain feet. Leaving the world and all its noise. Trading the clamor for natural joy. They say the peak is just the start. A hidden vein where the water's dark. The gravel crunches, the air gets thin. Pulling me closer to where I begin. Got a whisper in the wind, a guiding light, telling me to hold on tight. Oh, this majestic mountain road, winding higher through the clouds. Pines are whispering stories old, shaking off the city crowds. We're climbing up the spine of the world, following a feeling wild and free, to that secret river tightly curled, waiting only for you and me. Vista opens a sprawling green, the sharpest blue I've ever seen. Rocky shoulders touch the sky, watching the hawks as they drift on by. Past an old sign, half covered by moss, marking the place where the trail is lost. We ditch the pavement for a dusty track. There's no turning around, there's no looking back. They say the peak is just the start, a hidden vein where the water's dark. The gravel crunches, the air gets thin, pulling me closer to where I begin. Got a whisper in the wind, a guiding light, telling me to hold on tight. Oh, this majestic mountain road, winding higher through the clouds. Pines are whispering stories old, shaking off the city crowds. We're climbing up the spine of the world, following a feeling wild and free, to that secret river tightly curled, waiting only for you and me. Down through the canyon, the shadows grow deep.
Pagdating sa tulay, may konting rough road papunta sa ilog. This bridge connects the Daang Katutubo and Daang Kalikasan na papunta naman sa Zambales.
A flash of white, sunlight catching it shining bright. The sound of the rushing crystal clear. The final destination is here. Oh, this majestic mountain road winding higher through the clouds. Pines are whispering stories old, shaking off the city crowds. We're climbing up the spine of the world, following a feeling wild and free to that.
Finally, after that challenging yet scenic last stretch of road, nakadating na din tayo.
Cold against the skin, washing the dust and the worries within. Secret river flow to me, yeah, the mountain knew where we had to be. The sunrise spilled gold on the windshield pane, left the city hum, chased the cooling rain. 4x4 tires humming a low, steady tune. Climbing the canyon neath the fading moon. Dust on the dashboard, maps on the floor, trading pavement lines for what we came here for. Every switchback mile felt the tension release, heading for that hidden watery peace. Oh, the river's waiting ice cold and deep, where the high pines gather and the secrets sleep. Shed the road grime, shed the heavy clothes. This mountain magic's where the current flows, plunging deep. Breathe it all in slow, the best kind of treasure that the locals know. Hidden current, wash the world away. Found our perfect ending to the long, long day.
What an incredible day! The Daang Katutubo is definitely more than just a road trip. It's an adventure that leads you to the beautiful, clear waters of the Bayaoas River.
Engine off now, just the sound of the breeze, whistling through the ancient towering trees. Stepped on the moss, smelled the damp sweet earth. Knew the dusty journey was exactly what it's worth. As the perfect cut bank sung through the leaves, where the water clears the dust that the memory weaves. Unlace the hiking boots, toss them in the shade, ready for the promise that the journey made. Oh, the river's waiting ice cold and deep, where the high pines gather and the secrets sleep. Shed the road grime, shed the heavy clothes. This mountain magic's where the current flows, plunging deep. Breathe it all in slow, the best kind of treasure that the locals know. Hidden current, wash the world away. Found a perfect ending to the long, long day.
So, is it Pangasinan's best kept secret? Absolutely. Pero guys, let's practice clay go to keep this place beautiful.
The initial shock takes your breath away, like 1,000 stars on a summer day. Gotta push right past the icy bite, then the cool just feels like liquid light. Float on your back, watch the clouds drift by, below the surface beneath the clear blue sky. No cell service, no time, no rush, just the sound of the water and the mountain hush. Oh, the river's waiting ice cold and deep, where the high pines gather and the secrets sleep. Shed the road grime, shed the heavy clothes. This mountain magic's where the current flows, plunging deep. Breathe it all in slow, the best kind of treasure that the locals know. Hidden current, wash the world away. Found our perfect ending to the long, long day. Yeah, wash the world away.
Thank you so much for joining us. If you love seeing this hidden spot, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures. See you on the next road trip. Ingat!